Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Aspirant Kumar. In this video, we'll see first salary slip of RRB clerk. This is the salary slip of a June month. Number of working days 30 days. The number of working days is 30. And basic pay of RRB clerk is 19,900 and DA is 41% of basic pay, that is 9,900. SPA is special allowance around 3,200. HR is house rent allowance. This is transport allowance is 600. The gross amount will be 35,000. Sorry. And deductions are tax deduction is 200 and NPS 2,800, and this is related to the bank membership about 110 rupees. The total deduction will be 3,130 rupees nearly, and the nearly net pay is 32,580. This is the first salary slip of RRB clerk. So all the best for preparing for the exam RRB clerk and RRB BO. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel.